How to fix turn on professional mode not showing on Facebook. In order for you to fix this issue, let's get started with the video. First thing first, move into Facebook. Make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to Profile at the bottom right corner. Click on the three dot at the top right corner of the screen. Right over here you can see it says Turn on professional mode is disabled. It's because your account is locked. So move into Settings of Facebook. Tap on Settings. Scroll down and inside Audience and Visibility, move into Followers and Public Content. Once you're in this page, you have to set all of these settings to public. You can see the settings are on Friends. Make sure that all of the settings are public. Once you're done making all of these public, now what you need to do is, you have to go back to your previous page and move into your profile. Click on these options right here, you locked your profile. And then click on Unlock. Tap on Unlock your profile at the bottom of the screen. Now once again, if you click on this three dot icon at the top right corner of the screen, you will be able to see that Turn on Professional Mode is enabled. Now you can simply turn on and make your account professional mode. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.